everyone. Shri Guruve Namaga. Sukhi Bhava. I am teaching in carpentry class. First, very important, self-safety, self-cleanliness, mind relaxation, you are confident. That four very important. Then only you start the carpentry class. I teaching in now how do you do key holder. Any picture, outline only you take, any outline pictures only you take. First you select the pictures, then that size of wood piece. I take now penguin, I already made, now you do in penguin only. The same size I take the wood piece, this wood piece you draw in outline only, outline only you draw, okay? You take a time, safely you draw in outline only. You draw the outline. You draw the outline. Then you take the piece. This unwanted piece you cut now. First unwanted piece, small piece. Okay. I fix the clamp. Okay. Then I take a hacksaw. You cut that unwanted piece. Okay. Now you got the size. Now small piece only. Then whatever unwanted piece you cut. You take here one scale. Then you draw. Why means hacksaw only for cutting cross straight line, that only, not curve everything. That only I take that scale. You cut here, you draw straight lines. Unwanted pieces only I removing. This type you draw all the side. I know that only I roughly already I drawing. You take a scale, then you draw. Okay. This type you draw. Then you decided in four side. You keep it here. Then lightly draw four. You divide it into four. First you take one half. This side only. See here. Here I take here big size. Or another small size axe also. You do this one. Here taking so long. That only I never take. I take big axe. First I cut this unwanted piece. Drawing. Here holding that. Here no gap. Handle is having support from hand. Okay. You see only for wood piece only. No, don't go anywhere. That only your mind relax, confident. This type you cut. Okay. Here I saw. This type you cut. See here, small cutting here. I done. Okay. Same you fully you cut.
Okay.
Okay. Now I cut one side only. You see that? See? Straight lines. Here broke. This is for now this type you broke. Okay? This is for small. After how to you remove these pieces? Now I teach. Next I finished this another half. Okay? Now you see. First I finished this side. Now I finished this side. Here see this much. Removing. Okay, this shape is coming, almost is shape is coming. Now I going to down part. Okay, you see here hold the clamp so that only you cutting proper. Okay. Okay, then I cross this side out. two sides I cut and I removing a piece, small piece. Now almost it came. Okay, now afterwards I doing rub. I taking in rub. This is for rub. Okay, this is for rub. I rubbing only for this position. You see, this is for flat, this is for off curve. Wherever curve you want, that you doing curve side.
ஆன் பண்ணுறேன்.
See, now I finished one part. See here, I clean. Okay, same. Now I going there this side.
ம்
See, now I almost finished everything. See here. See there. I finished outline everything. Now after, see that same you came. Okay, then you take a marker. Take a marker, then you draw. Okay, here eyes. Okay, then you draw something. Okay, here legs you draw same position. Okay, here lines. See that? After you draw outline also. See, nice now. Everything in do your own work only. This is for your nobody is you are helping anything. You doing this pakka finishing. Okay, then I take. How do you holding the key? You want small object, then only I take this type of pins. See that? This type of pins. How many you want? Same you do. Here just only nothing happen. Here thread only. See that? Thread only. Okay, same you do, one or two or how many you want, you like, same you do. One very important, don't holding this pins, don't hold in straight lines. Why means that grains, wood grains is coming, that same here coming to position means you broke, that only you don't do this type, only you are. Okay, same how many you want, you do it, no problem. Okay, I finished. Now you don't have wood piece, don't have clamp, you don't have any wood carpentry material, that only I am same you do. You take a, now you take a cardboard, same this waste cardboard. Now you don't have wood piece, I told, that only I take. Now waste cardboard. Okay, waste cardboard, any packing cardboards, or you buy the cardboards, this type of cardboards. Okay, you take same only, nothing happen. You draw the outline, you draw the outline. Okay, see here I draw only for outline. Okay, you see here only I cutting outline only. Outline only I draw. I draw nothing in inside. Only outside only. You take two papers. Okay, you keep it here in back also one. Why means you want, I want that thread hook here. This type of thread holding, that only I take 2 or 3 cardboards. You take this, then you take a scissor. Okay, here you cut. Okay, now I cut the out. அது மாற்றத்துக்கோசரம் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும், அதை I fix here, then I finished. How do you draw? You know that, same you draw. Take a sketch, or marker or color pencil, anything you take, you draw, outline and same this position. Okay, see here, one curve here, one eyes here, you draw well. Okay, okay, draw outline also. Okay, finished. Key holder in cardboard and wood. You try in home only cardboard. Don't try in wood piece. I never told wood piece. Don't buy anything. It's all waste cardboard only. Okay. Thank you. Sri Guruve Namaga. Sukhi Bhava.